13. Magic benefits of turmeric water. Did you know that turmeric water can transform your health in surprising ways? Today, we'll explore how this powerful elixir can improve your life. Have you ever wondered how turmeric can help reduce inflammation in the body? Discover how curcumin, its main active compound, acts as a potent anti-inflammatory. Additionally, did you know that drinking turmeric water at night can enhance brain function and even aid in weight loss? And what are the benefits for liver health? Stay with us until the end to learn how to prepare this amazing drink and discover all its advantages. Let's start. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is widely recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties, mainly due to the presence of curcumin, its main active component. Curcumin can modulate various molecules involved in inflammation, including cytokines, enzymes, and transcription factors. By interfering with these processes, turmeric can help reduce inflammation in different parts of the body. One of the main mechanisms of curcumin's anti-inflammatory action is the inhibition of the enzymes cyclooxygenase 2, COX2, and lipoxygenase, LOX, which are responsible for producing pro-inflammatory substances. Additionally, curcumin can inhibit the activation of the nuclear transcription factor, NFKB, which regulates the expression of genes involved in the inflammatory response. Clinical and laboratory studies have shown that regular intake of turmeric can be beneficial in managing chronic inflammatory conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and other autoimmune diseases. By reducing inflammation, turmeric not only relieves symptoms but also can prevent the progression of these diseases and minimize tissue damage. Additionally, curcumin has an antioxidant effect that complements its anti-inflammatory properties, helping protect cells against damage caused by free radicals. This is particularly important in chronic inflammatory conditions, where oxidative stress plays a significant role. 2. Reduction of anxiety and depression. Turmeric has recently been highlighted for its beneficial effects in reducing anxiety and depression. Curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric, possesses anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective properties that combat these disorders. An innovative study titled "Curcumin in Antidepressant Treatments" explored how curcumin can function as a natural antidepressant, promoting the release of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that regulate mood and sleep. Besides curcumin, turmeric contains over 100 beneficial compounds, such as turmerone and elamine, which also contribute to these positive effects. Drinking turmeric water at night helps improve sleep quality and acts as a natural antidepressant, essential for mental health. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine is a powerful and natural way to keep anxiety and depression in check, promoting an overall sense of well-being. 3. Liver health support. Turmeric is known for its powerful medicinal properties, largely due to its unique compounds called curcuminoids. The most famous of these compounds is curcumin, but others like dimethoxycurcumin and base-dimethoxycurcumin also play a significant role in supporting liver health. Recent research has shown that these compounds possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective properties. A study published in the journal Antioxidants in 2020 revealed that curcuminoids help neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote the regeneration of damaged liver cells. Additionally, drinking turmeric water at night supports bile production, essential for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins from the body. A 2019 study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that turmeric extract can improve liver function by increasing bile production and flow. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric water before bed can be an effective way to show your liver some love, promoting better liver health. 4. Improvement of brain function. Turmeric water has gained attention for its potential benefits for brain function. Curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric, can improve cognitive function and memory, as well as reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. A study published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that curcumin supplementation improved memory and attention in people with age-related memory loss. Curcumin works by reducing inflammation in the brain, which can impair cognitive function, and by increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth of new brain cells and improves synaptic plasticity. Drinking turmeric water at night can help harness curcumin's benefits for the brain, potentially enhancing cognitive ability and memory. If you want to boost your brain power, try adding turmeric water to your nightly routine. 5. Regulation of blood sugar levels. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, is widely used in traditional medicine. One of the main components of turmeric is curcumin, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Recent studies have shown that curcumin increases insulin sensitivity and reduces insulin resistance, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism revealed that curcumin supplementation improved fasting glucose levels and insulin sensitivity in patients with type 2 diabetes. Another study, published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, found that curcumin can lower blood sugar levels by inhibiting enzymes that break down carbohydrates into glucose. Drinking turmeric water at night can be a simple and effective way to incorporate this beneficial spice into your diet, helping reduce fasting glucose levels and improving insulin sensitivity, which can bring long-term benefits for overall health. 6. Joint pain relief. Drinking turmeric water at night can be extremely beneficial for relieving joint pain thanks to its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Besides curcumin, turmeric contains over 200 unique compounds, including turmerones and gingerols, which also contribute to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. These compounds work together to inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals called cytokines, which cause pain and stiffness in the joints. A recent study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2016 found that a combination of curcumin and turmeric essential oils provided pain relief and improved joint function in people with osteoarthritis, surpassing the effects of curcumin alone. Drinking this golden elixir not only relieves joint pain, but also improves sleep quality, thanks to its natural calming effect on the nervous system. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine can be an effective way to relieve joint pain and improve your quality of life. 7. Aid in weight loss. Turmeric water at night has become a popular remedy for weight loss, and not without reason. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry in 2019 found that a compound called turmerone, in addition to curcumin, can help reduce fat accumulation and improve lipid metabolism. This means that drinking turmeric water at night can increase the body's ability to burn fat while you sleep. Additionally, a research article from the Journal of Functional Foods in 2018 highlighted that consuming turmeric can increase bile production in the liver, essential for breaking down fats. This, in turn, promotes better digestion and aids in weight loss. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine can be a simple and effective way to support your weight loss goals, improving metabolism and digestion, while also offering other health benefits. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is widely recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties, mainly due to the presence of curcumin, its main active component. Curcumin can modulate various molecules involved in inflammation, including cytokines, enzymes, and transcription factors. By interfering with these processes, turmeric can help reduce inflammation in different parts of the body. One of the main mechanisms of curcumin's anti-inflammatory action is the inhibition of the enzymes cyclooxygenase 2, COX2, and lipoxygenase, LOX, which are responsible for producing pro-inflammatory substances. Additionally, curcumin can inhibit the activation of the nuclear transcription factor, NFKB, which regulates the expression of genes involved in the inflammatory response. Clinical and laboratory studies have shown that regular intake of turmeric can be beneficial in managing chronic inflammatory conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and other autoimmune diseases. By reducing inflammation, turmeric not only relieves symptoms, but also can prevent the progression of these diseases and minimize tissue damage. Additionally, curcumin has an antioxidant effect that complements its anti-inflammatory properties, helping protect cells against damage caused by free radicals. This is particularly important in chronic inflammatory conditions, where oxidative stress plays a significant role. 9. Promotion of healthy skin. Drinking turmeric water at night is like a secret potion for glowing skin passed down through generations. It's a powerful elixir that can transform dull, tired skin into a radiant complexion that catches the eye. Turmeric is not just a common spice, it's a gift from nature containing a treasure trove of health-promoting compounds. While curcumin is the most well-known and studied compound, turmeric also contains other unique compounds that work together to promote skin health. Turmerone and AR-turmerone are two compounds found in turmeric that have been shown to increase collagen production, the protein that gives skin its elasticity and youthful appearance. Collagen production decreases with age, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. By boosting collagen production, drinking turmeric water at night can help reverse the signs of aging, giving a more youthful appearance. Besides anti-aging benefits, turmeric water at night can also help combat acne and other skin infections. So, if you want to unlock the secret to beautiful, radiant skin, try drinking turmeric water at night. 10. Improvement of digestion. Drinking turmeric water at night can improve digestion due to its ability to stimulate bile production, which helps in breaking down fats. Additionally, turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the digestive system, promoting healthier digestion. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known for its health benefits, including improving digestion. However, research suggests that other compounds in turmeric, such as turmerone and turmerin, also play a role in promoting digestive health. A 2015 study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that turmerone, a compound in turmeric, can increase the production of digestive enzymes, improving digestion. Another study, published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology in 2018, found that turmerin, another compound in turmeric, can protect against digestive disorders by reducing inflammation in the gut. Drinking turmeric water at night can be a simple and effective way to promote healthy digestion and relieve digestive problems. 11. Reduces cancer risk. Turmeric has been widely studied for its anti-cancer properties, especially due to its active component, curcumin. Research indicates that curcumin can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors, a process known as angiogenesis. Additionally, curcumin can interfere with the spread of cancer cells, metastasis, and induce apoptosis, which is the programmed death of cancer cells. One of the mechanisms by which curcumin exerts its anti-cancer effects is through the modulation of various cellular signaling pathways. These pathways are responsible for controlling cell growth, inflammation, and oxidative stress response. By regulating these pathways, curcumin can suppress the proliferation of malignant cells and increase the effectiveness of conventional treatments such as chemotherapy and radiotherapy, making cancer cells more sensitive to these treatments. Laboratory studies and preliminary clinical trials have shown promising results, especially in types of cancer such as breast, colon, pancreas, and prostate. However, the bioavailability of curcumin is a challenge, as it is poorly absorbed by the body. To overcome this, combinations with piperine, found in black pepper, or the use of liposomal formulations have been explored to increase curcumin absorption and efficacy. 12. Boosting immunity. Turmeric contains several unique compounds, in addition to the well-known curcumin, that work synergistically to improve the immune system's response. One of these compounds is gingerol, present in turmeric, which has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol helps neutralize free radicals that can cause cellular damage, strengthening the immune system's ability to fight infections. Another compound in turmeric, called bis-dimethoxycurcumin, has been shown to stimulate the production of white blood cells, essential for fighting infections. Additionally, this compound helps activate the immune system's response to pathogens, facilitating the body's defense against invaders. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine not only strengthens the immune system, but also improves overall health and well-being. Drinking this golden elixir before bed can be an effective way to prepare your body to fight infections and stay healthy. 13. Aids in body detoxification. Turmeric water is known for its detoxifying properties, which can help the body eliminate accumulated toxins. Curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric, plays a crucial role in this process. It helps stimulate the enzymes responsible for liver detoxification, a vital organ for filtering toxins from the blood. By consuming turmeric water regularly, you can support liver function, promoting the efficient elimination of harmful substances. Additionally, Turmeric has antioxidant properties that neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to premature aging and chronic diseases. Another important benefit is turmeric's ability to improve digestion. Good digestion is essential for detoxification, as it helps ensure that toxins are properly eliminated through digestive and excretory processes. Turmeric stimulates bile production in the gallbladder, improving fat digestion and waste elimination. Furthermore, turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the body, a factor that can contribute to toxin retention. By reducing inflammation, turmeric helps create a healthier internal environment, facilitating natural detoxification. How to prepare turmeric water. Preparing turmeric water is a simple process, and there are several ways to do it using both turmeric powder and fresh root. Here are 2 easy methods for you to try. Method 1. Using turmeric powder. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 cups of water. Instructions: 1. Heat 2 cups of water in a saucepan until boiling. 2. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the boiling water and stir well to dissolve completely. 3. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer on low for about 5 minutes. 4. Remove the pan from the heat and let the mixture cool for a few minutes. 5. Strain the liquid using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any undissolved turmeric residue. 6. Pour the strained turmeric water into a glass and it's ready to drink. Method 2. Using fresh turmeric root. Ingredients: 1 fresh turmeric root, approximately 2 inches long. 2 cups of water. Instructions: 1. Wash the turmeric root thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt. 2. Grate the root using a fine grater or chop it into small pieces. 3. Boil 2 cups of water in a saucepan. 4. Add the grated or chopped turmeric to the boiling water and stir well. 5. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. 6. Remove from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. 7. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove the turmeric pieces. 8. Pour the turmeric water into a glass and enjoy. For additional flavor and health benefits, you can add a teaspoon of honey, a bit of lemon juice, or a piece of ginger to your turmeric water. Make sure to stir well before drinking. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before adding turmeric to your diet, especially if you are taking medications or have specific health conditions. Additional tips. Before incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you are taking medications or have any pre-existing medical conditions. Turmeric can interact with certain medications, altering their efficacy. Additionally, start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. If desired, add ingredients like honey, lemon, or ginger to enhance the flavor and gain extra health benefits. Finally, remember to use high-quality turmeric to ensure you get the most nutritional benefits. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.